Welcome to Factory Insight. Today, we take you deep inside one of the greatest engineering achievements ever built, the Hoover Dam built.
Before concrete, the river had to be controlled.
Precision planning defines every massive structure. The canyon is carved to make space for control.
The river must be redirected.
Every blast is calculated. Raw force shapes the path. Progress follows cleanup.
A new path for the river.
Control replaces chaos. The river changes course. Only solid ground can support a giant. Strength is verified, inch by inch. The base is perfected.
Readiness and power below.
Heat control is designed before pouring begins.
Nothing is left to chance.
Materials prepare to move. Go. Every ingredient is precisely measured. The binding force enters the system. Temperature is controlled before the pour. The dam's foundation is exposed. Tons of concrete are born every minute.
Consistency determines strength.
Transport begins immediately. Gravity and engineering work together. The dam is built in pieces. Heat control is built inside. Each layer must be perfect.
Concrete cures under constant supervision.
The cycle repeats, day and night.
The structure begins to rise.
Logistics evolve as the dam grows.
Each level builds upon the last.
Layer after layer, the wall rises.
Uniform cooling prevents cracks.
The dam nears its final height. The dam nears its final height.
The backbone of an American icon now stands.
The canyon is reshaped for overflow.
Power generation begins at the intake.
Protection before power.
The dam is hollow by design.
Heat control continues from within.
Pressure is carefully managed. Flow is regulated at the source. Seams disappear into strength. Systems are tested before nature arrives.
The dam is ready for power.
Energy production begins beneath the dam. A stable base supports immense power. Every opening serves a purpose. Water control demands planned release paths. Above the turbines, electricity is born. Massive components meet millimeter accuracy.
Command centers come alive.
Safety is engineered, not assumed. The heart of power stands ready.
Water's path is carefully prepared.
Flow control is critical. Pressure is measured before release. Every joint must hold.
Stored water is released.
Velocity builds energy. Ocean is born. Mechanical power awakens. Energy transfers upward. Water returns to the river. Electricity is induced. Power generation is fully alive.
We have a critical temperature spike in Sector Gamma. Reroute coolant immediately.
Acknowledged. Initiating bypass sequence. Stable now.
Power is guided by intelligence.
Sensors act as silent guardians. Heat is constantly controlled.
Override Sector 4 safety parameters. Rerouting diagnostic telemetry.
Problems are anticipated early.
System synchronization check.
Everything works as one. Automation sustains power. Control turns power into trust. Small changes make big differences. Power meets the grid. Consistency protects networks. Friction is carefully controlled. Materials adapt to heat.
As you can see, the projections for the next decade are robust. We anticipate a 20% growth by year 10.
Excellent. This confirms our strategy.
Results are confirmed.
Strength is proven. Peak performance achieved. Precision defines endurance. Quality is independently verified.
Strength is measured scientifically.
Hidden flaws are revealed.
Electrical safety is confirmed.
Heat tells the truth.
Endurance is proven.
We've lost the east grid. Reroute power to Sector 4.
Systems are failing. We can't stabilize.
Get me a ground report now. Emergency. System response active. Prepared for extremes.
The structure stands firm.
We need to clarify the wording in this section before submitting the final draft.
Yes, and this reference here in the appendix confirms the amendment we discussed.
Need it.
Final operational approval.
Operation is approved.
Trust is built through proof.
Power leaves the source.
Voltage rises for distance.
Heat is safely removed.
Engineer, proceed with caution on track 4. Confirm switch alignment. Over.
Power chooses its path.
Energy travels beyond sight.
Water control demands planned release paths.
The canyon is reshaped for overflow. Form follows the force of water. Control points are anchored deep.
Power generation begins at the intake.
The dam is hollow by design. The predictive models are holding steady across all parameters. We're seeing unprecedented stability.
Agreed. The adjustments to the sensor array clearly worked.
Homes begin to glow.
The future is planned.
The foundation of a legend takes shape.
Stability is confirmed.
The landscape transforms.
Every system must work as one.
Control systems are now in place.
Check the alignment on conveyor belt 4. The diagnostic shows a slight deviation.
Already on it. Looks like a minor adjustment is needed.
Industry is energized.
Care sustains power.
Power respects nature.
A legacy built in concrete.
Adjust the flow rate on the tertiary coupling. We're showing a spike in Sector 4.
Rerouting the data stream now, engineer. Levels are normalizing.
Still standing strong.
If we look at the fluctuating line graph for the coastal regions, the impact is accelerating faster than projected.
That aligns with the heat map data.
Powering millions. Built to last. This is the final product.